day everyone, and in today's video, I will be teaching you on how to use GeoGebra on your mobile phone. Now, let's get started. But first, what is GeoGebra? So GeoGebra is a free open source dynamic mathematics software for all education levels that brings together geometry, algebra, spreadsheets, graphings, and statistics, and also calculus. Okay, the first thing you need to do is just to open Play Store and search nyo here yung GeoGebra. Tapos, just click open. So, we have here the basic tools, the tools used for editing, mga points, line, and others. So, here naman is the table and here is the spreadsheet. Now, balik tayo dito. I'll just put a point, 4 points randomly. So, pindot mo yung point. And then, now, let's see. And also, if may mga ganyan na na-add na points na hindi nyo naman sinasadya, just clicking here para matanggal. Okay. Now, let's click this one, yung calculator, the algebra, and then, as you can see, the letter A point is nasa negative 8.15 and 6.6. So, let's see. Ayun. Tama. But, gusto ko kasi yung exact, walang point. So, you can edit that just clicking here. Pwede pang tanggalin mo 15. And also here, let's do negative 6. Now, if you're done, just click here. And, ayun. Naset na siya. So, let's see. Negative 8 and positive 6. So, tama. That's how you use points. Like, kahit saan mo siya ilagay randomly, kapag inedit mo siya dito, automatic siya napupunta doon sa kung ano man yung nakasulat dito. Now, how about let's use lines or yung graph. So, gagawin ko lang, dahil hindi naman to accurate, tatanggalin ko lang, clear all. Tapos, here pala, you can see the mga sine, cosine, mga tangent, ganyan. Dito sa part na to. And here naman yung, yung normal na keyboard lang, ganun. And if you tap this one, ayan, lalabas yung mga ganyan. But, hindi natin gagamitin yan ngayon. So, dito lang tayo. Here, yung mga main symbol. But, let's use this one. So, maglagay tayo ng a function. Ngayon, let's And now, how table of value? Take mo lang tong 3 dots and then there. So, for example, let's put negative 10. Dahil negative naman na dito, ito naman is gawin na lang natin positive. And here naman sa step, and then here sa step, let's just put, step 1 na lang. And then if you're done, just click OK. And then, ayan. So here you can now see the values of x. If you click here, set line, and then if you click here sa 3 dots, yan, pwede nyo i-adjust yung thickness, ganyan, pwede manipis, at tayo sa dati, and pwede mo rin palitan yung and then after that, pwede mo rin yung style ng line, pwede mo rin palitan ng ganyan-ganyan, pero let's use this one. And here, show text. Yan. Kapag okay na, yan, click mo dito. Tapos, if you're done, click mo lang yung and then save. Pwede rin na i-export as an image. Dito naman sa settings. Yan. Ayan, so that's how you use GeoGebra. That's it. Now you know how to use GeoGebra on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching.